Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a Starbucks gift card? Here's how to add it to your app in seconds. First of all, open your Starbucks app and tap the gift icon at the bottom. Now tap Got a gift card and it here. Enter your card number and security code from the back of your gift card. You have two options. Add it as a new payment method or my recommendation. Transfer the balance to your main Starbucks card. To transfer, tap Transfer Funds, select your main Starbucks card and confirm. Once the balance is transferred, remove the empty card to keep your app clutter-free. That's it. Your gift card is now loaded. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.